In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Journal Report on Xero. The Journal Report is a powerful way to see every journal entry posted in your organization, whether it's a manual journal or one generated from invoices, bills, or bank reconciliations. This is especially helpful for period-end reviews, audits, and quickly tracing movements across your accounts. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the correct Xero organization and that your user role lets you view reports. Start by opening Xero and heading to the reporting area. You'll find reporting in the main menu. This is your central hub for financial statements, analytics, and detail reports. If you don't see it, you may need a different role or access to that organization. From reporting, go to all reports. This shows the full library of available reports. Because there are quite a few, the quickest way to locate what you need is to use the search bar at the top of the page. In the search field, type Journal. As you type, Xero filters the list in real time. Look for the item labeled Journal Report. Click that to open it. You're now on the report screen where you can tailor what you're about to view so it's relevant to your task. Next, set the date range. Choose the period you want to review, such as last month, last quarter, financial year to date, or pick a custom start and end date to match your reporting timeline. Using a precise date range keeps the report focused and faster to load. If you're preparing work papers or investigating a specific transaction, narrow the range around those dates to make the list easier to scan. Once you've selected the dates, click Update. This applies your filters and refreshes the report with the latest data for that period. After the report loads, you'll see each journal entry with its date, reference, accounts, descriptions, and the debit and credit amounts. Totals should balance, and each line will help you trace how a transaction affected your ledger. If you're checking a busy period and the report feels long, tighten the date range and click Update again to zero in on what matters. A few practical tips as you review. Align the date range to your reporting cycle to keep your audit trail clean. If you suspect a posting error, look for unusual descriptions or unexpected accounts. And remember that manual journals and system-generated journals both appear here. So it's a great place to confirm that automated processes posted as expected. That's it. You've opened the journal report, chosen the right period, and refreshed it to get exactly the detail you need. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.